What is happening? Welcome to Chat Outdoors. Welcome back. Welcome if it's your first time. And I want to give you today is a quick tip on battery maintenance. Hopefully not too boring, but it's pretty cool. I didn't think much of it until I got some experience with it, and then buddy doubled the life of his battery. So I'll show you a quick rundown on what it is, what to do, and then some pretty cool things of why you might like it. All right, so real quick, we got a trickle charger. The main thing really you need to know is you want to look for something that's automatic and runs about 1.5 amps. What I've done is already done all the boring steps and hooked this thing up. I'll run through it real quick. So just give you a quick scenario. Normally when you're charging your battery, you got these alligator clamps. You've got to pop your seat off your ATV, which I've already done. And then you got to pull the battery cover off. To do that, there's a bolt here, or machine screw, whatever you want to call it. And there's one underneath around the fenders. So it's not too easy. It's kind of a pain in the butt, which in most cases I wasn't gonna pop this thing off every time I ride and park it for a week or two. So what you can do is install this other little cable it came with. So it's already hooked up, and what it is just another, so it's an option. So you either can use this like I showed you and clamp it on the post and then plug it up to the end of the trickle charger, which is down here, plugged into the wall. So that takes too much time. You gotta unscrew the battery cover, all that stuff, and then it's annoying, so I usually don't do it. So what I did is I'm using this other cable that the trickle charger came with, and all you gotta do is unscrew that, screw out the top of the post, slide the end of this cable on there. It's like a washer end, and then same for this one. And then just route your cable alongside with these other ones. And what you're gonna do is, of course, put your battery cover back on. And I'll screw this down later after the video, but you'll wanna secure it. And then that way when you store it, you just have this guy sitting right here. And your seat, of course, pops back on. And then next time you wanna, when you're done riding, you just pop the seat off. There you go, there's your cord. I don't know if you saw that, I think you saw my big head in the way. But, there you go, there's the cord, and then you plug it in, and you probably use 2 hands, but I got one free right now, so there you go, plugged in, and then it's charging. It's orange and red, which means it's charging. Once it's done, it's green, and so that's pretty cool. It keeps the your battery life, longevity of it, more gets you more life out of your battery, I'm trying to say. So that's what else does it do? It keeps the battery hot, so you're gonna fire up nice every time. And then also, we'll do is kind of give you an idea, like a health check of your battery. So you can do is look at the lights on the trickle charger, and you'll notice it gives you like an error. It'll flash red fast if the battery's not charging properly. So that'll give you an idea is maybe your battery is running out of life, so you won't get stranded. It kind of gives you a heads up. But either way, it's nice to have a hot battery. It's always charged to the max. It's gonna give it some more life. My buddy actually has his brute force original battery in it, going 9 years. I think he did this from day one. So, and there it is. There's your quick tip on maintaining your battery in your ATV. Not gonna give the old spiel, like, subscribe, blah blah blah. You know the drill. You're gonna do what you want to do anyway. I hope you enjoyed it. We got some off-roading videos coming up soon, some new terrain. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.